The lift and slide uses flush mount hardware on each panel in order to unlock and lift each one from the track. Each lock must be unlocked in order for the door to completely slide open. The engineering of the lift and slide door allows for effortless operation and can be configured in many different ways. This particular door slides to one direction, stacking on top of each other, and then pockets into the wall to hide completely away. This provides you with a large, complete opening, great for indoor-outdoor living. The door panels are also designed to lock into place anywhere within the track. Just lift up the handle to lock a particular panel where you'd like it, and it will stay fixed until unlocked again. To lock the door, make sure the door is closed completely. Then lift up on each of the levers, locking each panel securely.